How to show free shipping on Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be talking about how you can show free shipping on Shopify. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, check your internet connection and then log in into your account. For that, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in admin.shopify.com. As you'll need to visit to the Shopify's dashboard page. While you're on this page, you can see in the left hand side bar multiple options. From the list, you need to go ahead and right at the bottom there is a gear icon. Click on it. This is going to direct you to the settings page. Over here, you need to go ahead and select shipping and delivery, which is located in the left hand side bar. After that, you'll be able to see shipping and delivery. Right over here, you'll be able to see all of the information. So basically, first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all of the default shipping delivery address and all that. In case I don't have this particular option, but the interface might be quite different in your case. So all you have to do is first of all select all of your default delivery address and then delete it all by tapping on the three dot icon. So that is how you can show free shipping on Shopify store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.